Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kikuan jong uba Manuel Jaarin kumbajule man lausnem. Mentakas nem ru kilapan long ya kajeng pen ko buram kerpang yaki samla pule kathan maharam ki bapas bhaya ka exam SSLC kablatep komka Manuel Jaarin Award for Academic Excellence arhajar arphawe. Hapo Maharam Government Higher Secondary School Hall Maukerwan. Kumban syukadaw, yakan ni Manuel Jaarin Award for Academic Excellence, lasdang ningkong hausnem arhajar saw, dekikuan jong uba Manuel, bamkway hadawar ublay. Kumshi benta, ban pensa jengken mau bat pensa nam, ya ukpa jongki, bat kumshi benta ru ban penslori ki samla, bakin nang le bhasyu syu haki jung pule jongki. Hakan ni kasngi penkop buram, kabalalong henne kasngi ka khat riu tarik urisaw, Ledon lang daki khun jo uba Manuel Jaarin kakong perlis iem marak kong rosamans iem ba renektan lengdo menteri ketenat PHE ubalong ru MLA kathan kong karimai khar kongor deputy commissioner Southwest Khasi Hills District rengkat kinong hikai bat ki khana school. Hagan ni kasngi layo ban penkop buram bat sami ki kusnam do uba renekton bat ikong karimai syaki khana school neki school ba pher jong kathan mau korwan kibilawan chakman hakajing pas bhai ki exam jonki.
And so we are so grateful to have godly parents like them. So when we were thinking about my dad especially, those days my mom was still alive. But when we were thinking about my dad, we thought of erecting a monument in memory of him. He was such a great man. A man well known to so many people. A man who was known to be so kind, not only to his family members, but to people, to strangers whom he does not know. So therefore, when we were thinking of, keeping his memory alive, we thought, we'll build a monument for him. But then we thought, what is the use of building a monument? A monument would just be a stone, there in his graveyard. And it would not do anyone any good. Every year we would have to go to that monument or that tombstone, and then, we would have to give it a scrub. We would have to wash it and whitewash it again, and, because there'd be a lot of bird droppings on the monument.
You will be more benefited when you learn from this family, from this great family. You may forget, or your material gift that you get, it may last for some time. You may finish them in hardly few months, but the teaching that you got from this family, Manuel Jaarin, it will last for life. You should not forget this lesson, this message from this family of our giant leader of this area, Manuel Jaarin. He was the person that we should remember in our life. In the history, through his children, they have been able to each one of us to recall his name again and again every year through this award. And I want to request the press and media who are here today with us, please publish nicely of this gathering, of this award ceremony, for the benefit of the people at large, for the benefit of the people of Maharam Senship, for the benefit of people of this area, to know more and more about the greatness of Master Manuel Jaarin.